Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. It's like a small, controlled fire in your body, designed to help you heal and fight off invaders. This process is essential for our survival, as it helps to protect us from harmful pathogens and repair damaged tissues. However, not all inflammation is beneficial. When inflammation becomes chronic, it's like a fire that never goes out. This persistent low-level inflammation can cause significant damage over time, affecting our cells and tissues. Chronic inflammation is often silent, meaning you might not even realize it's happening. But its effects are far-reaching and can contribute to a host of age-related diseases. Imagine a small, controlled fire in your body. That's inflammation at work, helping your body heal and fight off invaders. But what happens when the fire never goes out? When inflammation becomes chronic, it's like a fire slowly burning in the background, damaging our cells and tissues. This chronic inflammation is linked to many age-related diseases, from heart disease and diabetes to arthritis and even some cancers. For seniors, chronic inflammation can be especially troublesome. It can worsen existing conditions and increase the risk of falls and frailty. It can even affect cognitive function, contributing to memory problems and dementia. So, how can we extinguish this silent fire? Lifestyle changes like regular exercise and a healthy diet are crucial. Regular physical activity helps to reduce inflammation by improving circulation and promoting the release of anti-inflammatory substances in the body. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can also help to combat inflammation. Foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. And this is where curcumin, a powerful compound found in turmeric, steps into the spotlight. Curcumin has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects, making it a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. Incorporating turmeric into your meals, whether through curries, soups, or smoothies, can be an easy and delicious way to boost your intake of this beneficial compound. In addition to diet and exercise, other lifestyle factors can also play a role in managing inflammation. Stress management techniques such as meditation and yoga can help to reduce stress-related inflammation. Getting enough sleep is also crucial, as poor sleep can increase inflammation in the body. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health and well-being. By making these lifestyle changes, we can help to extinguish the silent fire of chronic inflammation and promote healthy aging. It's never too late to start taking steps towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and build from there. Your body will thank you for it. And this is where curcumin, a powerful compound found in turmeric, steps into the spotlight. With its potent anti-inflammatory effects, curcumin can be a valuable addition to your daily routine, helping to keep inflammation at bay and support overall health. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, has graced kitchens and traditional medicine cabinets for centuries. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, turmeric is a staple ingredient in curries and other Asian cuisines, adding warmth, color, and a distinct earthy flavor to countless dishes. But beyond its culinary uses, turmeric holds a treasure trove of medicinal properties. For generations, turmeric has been revered in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda for its ability to heal wounds, soothe digestive issues, and combat inflammation. The secret behind turmeric's healing prowess lies in a powerful compound within curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric that gives the spice its vibrant color and impressive health benefits. This golden compound has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurvedic practices, for its potent healing properties. Think of curcumin as the superhero within turmeric, fighting off inflammation and protecting our bodies from damage. It's not just a culinary delight, but a powerful ally in our quest for health. But how does curcumin work its magic? The secret lies in its ability to interact with various molecules in our body, influencing multiple biological pathways. Imagine tiny messengers in our bodies called cytokines. These are proteins that play a crucial role in cell signaling, especially in immune responses. These messengers can either fuel the fire of inflammation or help put it out. When the body is under stress or attack, pro-inflammatory cytokines are released to fight off the threat. Curcumin acts like a smart regulator, calming down the pro-inflammatory cytokines and giving a boost to the anti-inflammatory ones. This balancing act helps maintain a healthy inflammatory response. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin can effectively reduce inflammation in the body. It's been found to inhibit the activity of enzymes and molecules that promote inflammation. Research suggests that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the unwanted side effects. This makes it a safer alternative for long-term use. This makes curcumin an exciting area of research for managing chronic inflammatory conditions. As scientists continue to uncover its potential, curcumin stands out as a natural remedy with promising benefits for our health and well-being. As we age, our bodies naturally experience more wear and tear. Inflammation can become a bigger problem, contributing to age-related health issues. Curcumin, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, can be a valuable ally for seniors. Studies have shown that curcumin can help improve mobility and reduce joint pain in people with osteoarthritis, a common condition that affects millions of seniors. But the benefits of curcumin go beyond just joints. Research suggests that curcumin may improve brain function, protect against heart disease, and even have anti-cancer properties. These are all areas of particular concern for seniors. Curcumin is not a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool to help seniors live healthier, more active lives. Section 5. Spicing up your diet with curcumin. Adding curcumin to your diet is easier than you might think. This vibrant yellow compound found in turmeric has been celebrated for its potential health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The most straightforward way is to use turmeric liberally in your cooking. Turmeric is a versatile spice that can be added to a variety of dishes, enhancing both flavor and color. From savory curries and stews to golden milk lattes and turmeric-infused smoothies, the possibilities are endless. You can even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables or mix it into salad dressings for an extra health boost. But here's a tip: curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. This means that simply adding turmeric to your meals might not be enough to reap all its benefits. To boost its bioavailability, combine it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine that enhances curcumin absorption in the body. This simple addition can significantly increase the effectiveness of curcumin. You can also find curcumin supplements in various forms, such as capsules, tablets, and powders. These supplements often come with added piperine to ensure better absorption. If you're considering supplements, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for you. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs and conditions. Remember, incorporating curcumin into your diet is about making sustainable changes that you enjoy. Whether through delicious meals or convenient supplements, the key is consistency and enjoyment. So, start experimenting with turmeric today and discover the myriad ways it can enhance your health and culinary experiences. Section 6. Curcumin and medications. Proceed with caution. While curcumin is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be aware of potential interactions, especially for seniors who may be taking medications. Curcumin can interact with blood thinners, potentially increasing the risk of bleeding. It can also affect blood sugar levels, so individuals with diabetes or those taking medication for diabetes should exercise caution. Before adding curcumin supplements to your routine, always consult with your doctor or pharmacist to check for potential interactions with your medications. Section 7. The golden spice, not a cure-all. Curcumin is a powerful compound with impressive health benefits, but it's not a miracle cure. It's important to have realistic expectations and understand that curcumin works best as part of a holistic approach to health. Don't expect curcumin to undo the effects of an unhealthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, adequate sleep, and stress management are all crucial for maintaining good health. Think of curcumin as a valuable tool in your health arsenal, working in synergy with other healthy habits to support your overall well-being. Section 8. Embrace the golden goodness curcumin for a healthier you. Curcumin, the golden compound found in turmeric, holds immense potential for combating inflammation and improving health, especially for seniors. From reducing joint pain to supporting brain health, curcumin offers a natural and accessible way to age gracefully. By incorporating curcumin into your diet through turmeric-rich dishes or supplements, you can harness its anti-inflammatory power and reap its numerous benefits. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Section 9. A word of advice from Dr. Greger. As a physician specializing in nutrition-based medicine, I always emphasize the power of food as medicine. Curcumin, with its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties and impressive safety profile, is a testament to this. While more research is always ongoing, the evidence so far paints a promising picture for curcumin's role in promoting healthy aging. Embrace the golden goodness of curcumin and experience the difference it can make in your life. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start incorporating curcumin into your diet today and take a proactive step towards a healthier, more vibrant you.